Today we are going to see the topic Books and Authors Part 2. Last video questions. Who is the author of the book One Life is Not Enough? Answer is Nadver Singh. Those who have answered, congrats. First question. Who is the author of the book My Truth? The time starts. Answer option B, Indira Gandhi. Second one. Who is the author of the book Prison Diary? Your time starts. Answer is option C, JAYAPRAKASH NARAYANAN. Third one. Who is the author of the book Train to Pakistan? Your time starts. Answer option A, Khushwant Singh. Fourth one. Who is the author of the book All About Women? Your time starts. Answer option D, TASLIMA NASREEN. Fifth one. Who is the author of the book We Are Displaced? Your time starts. Answer option B, Malala Yousafzai. Sixth one. Who is the author of the book How Modi Won India? Your time starts. Answer option B, Rasdeep Sardesai. Seventh one. Who is the author of the book Walking with Lions? Your time starts. Answer is option A, Nadver Singh. Eighth one. Who is the author of the book Straight from the Heart? Your time starts. Answer option D, Kapil Dev. Ninth one. Who is the author of the book Gandhi? Your time starts. Answer is option D, Ramachandra Guha. 10th one. Who is the author of the book I Dare As I See? Your time starts. Answer option A, Kiran Pedi. 11th one. Who is the author of the book Communist Manifesto? Your time starts. Answer is option D, Karl Marx. 12th one. Who is the author of the book The Broken Wings? Your time starts. Answer option B, Sarojini Naidu. 13th one. Who is the author of the book A Brief History of Time? Your time starts. Answer option C, Stephen Hawking's. 14th one. Who is the author of the book A Long Era of Darkness? Your time starts. Answer option C, Shashi Tharoor. 15th one. Who is the author of the book The Arabian Nights? Your time starts. Answer option A, Sir Richard Burton. Questions for you. Who is the author of the book Exam Warriors? Post your answer in our community box. Next video we will discuss the answer. Thank you.